Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be drawing Nefer Pitou from Hunter x Hunter, or Pitou, or Pitou, Pitou. Not sure how to pronounce it, but I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with her eyes. So center point of my page is about here. It's probably where her mouth / nose maybe will end up being. So we just come up and over to the right hand side a little bit. And we're just going to start with that big curved eyelid of hers. So they're real big, curving, really big. And down to there. So you got to thicken up this eyelid a little bit. So it's like a thicker line. And it just sticks out a little bit here and then goes back this way. So we have a tiny little bit sticking up here, just on the end. And there's some eyelashes, like here, like so. And then the bottom eyelid. So that's going to curve down around here. And then we have some eyelashes sticking off the bottom, just there. And then we got our iris just inside. It's like a long sort of circle, an oval, just inside here. And then our pupil long inside there. Then we go over and do the other eye. So again, real big curving eyelid, like so. You just sort of line them up. You know, you could use your pencil to line up the tops and then bring it around down like that. And again, you can thicken it up. So this back end is much thicker than the front end. So we thicken it up and we bring it all the way around. Just making it stand out a little bit more, giving it a thickness. Like that. And there are eyelashes again on this side, like so. And then the bottom eyelid underneath here, curving around, curved line, just there. And then we can add eyelashes on the bottom, 2 on each end. And then our eye is an oval, like so. And then our pupil, an oval, but colored in black. So real big sort of eyes on Pitou. Like so. So she can have an eyelid line coming up and around. Just there. Same on the other side. Eyelid around the eye. Like so. So then her nose, just here in the middle of her face. It's pretty simple. It's just like sort of a curved line there in between her eyes. And then we have a shadow on the side. Just there. Maybe like a bit of darkness just down here. So her mouth, she's kind of semi-smiling, right, and a little bit open in the center. So it kind of starts just underneath the inside of her eye here, and pretty similar on this side, right? So that's the like edges of her mouth, right? So this is going to come over like that at first. Her mouth is kind of open, so it like bumps over here, down, and then goes across this smile line again on the other side, right? So it looks like it's closed at the minute, but just to open it up, we're going to add another line just there. And then her bottom lip comes along here. Now her chin, pointy kind of chin, just down here. Okay, so you can check proportions of things now. We're kind of out of proportion because the eyes are so big, but I would say eyes to mouth is about the same as mouth to chin, right? So the mouth is about halfway between the eyes and the chin. Normally the nose would be halfway between the eyes and chin, but because it's sort of crazy proportions with these big eyes, we're going eyes to mouth, mouth to chin. So this is halfway. And the bottom lip line is halfway between the nose and the chin. So here to here is the same as here to here. So this bottom lip line. This line is halfway between the nose and the chin. See? The sort of bottom of the nose. So there are your proportions generally. And then we can go up for her jaw, side of her face. So you want to stop just like underneath the edge of her eye and across from the mouth, right? So these two lines intersect down here and across, okay? And then the jaw on the other side. Approximately the same sort of area, just underneath the eye, across from the mouth, and then you're going to go up the side of her face. And we don't need to go too far because she's got like hair coming down her face, so we just need to turn a little bit and go up like that. Like so. So then those pieces of hair that come down her face, just like wavy strands of hair, spiking, and they go back, up, like so. And then similar on this side, so waving. Then up here, like that. And then we have a fringe. So it's just spikes. Like so. And then we go down this way. Spiking back here, and then another one goes like so. And then another one coming down her head here. Around into there, and then another one down like so, into there, goes around like this. So she has these like three that come from the top of her head, so like middle parts of her fringe, right? So like just from here, say from the top of her head, spiking down into here, and then this comes back up like so, right? So this is the top of her head. So if you're wondering distances of things, eyelid line, say the top eyelid to the top of her head is about the same as top eyelid to chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here. So top eyelid, halfway between top of the head and the chin. Approximately, just about. Okay? That's how high up you want to have the top of her head, right? So then this comes back, more hair spikes coming out here. And then another one out and down to there, back into here, right? So then these sort of waving sort of hairlines go in to this sort of area up here. Like so. And then we got like more hair waving down here. Like this. Similar on this side. Like so. And this is going to spike back up into her head. Up into there. Yeah, this kind of spikes down this way. It's got like a hairline in there. Like so. Right, so then her ears just up here. So we got like cat-like ears coming down like so, and maybe with a line just for the inside, and then similar on this side like so, with cat-like ears. And then top of her head curves out from here down to there. Hairline there, and another bump for her head just about there, and maybe like texture line, hairline there. Okay, so one more sort of wavy sort of section for hair here. Like that, coming out from behind her ear, waving down like so, and then another line like that. And then her neck. So just underneath her eyes there, neck curves down like this, neck curves down like so. And then she's got a V just for the center of her chest. And her collar comes out from there, back in, down into there. And similar on this side, out like so, and comes out from behind, down, back up, like that. And we got a bit more hair hanging down in behind. Right, so shoulders. So shoulder comes out here, bring it down, and then it kind of bumps out down into there, and then shoulder out, down, bump out for a fold, and her shoulder pads of her jacket, just kind of this seam line that they have just there, and then she's got golden buttons, sort of oval shape, 2 of them, just there, and then her tail. So cat tail, classic shape for a cat tail, kind of S-like curve going back down. But I think that's everything. How to draw Pitou or Pitou from Hunter x Hunter. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.